Hello, this is Aaron with a quick video tour of the laundry room at 2419-2421 Beechwood Boulevard. This is 2419-2421 Beechwood Boulevard, and I'm just doing a quick video to show everyone the laundry room. So the way you would reach the laundry room is within the building. You would just go down the steps. And I left the door slightly ajar, so it would not, but usually this door is locked. And from within the apartment, you would go down the steps, and I left the lights on as well. And all the electric for the building has been updated. But this is the laundry room. And so this is, there's 2 washers and 2 dryers. Here's one of the dryers. And you can use either coins, or you can use an app on your phone. And so this is the laundry machines, the 2 washers right here, and then a dryer, and then another dryer right over here. And so they are relatively new machines. I believe 3 out of 4 of the machines are brand new, less than a year old. And it's right now, it's essentially the summer of 2025, the end of May 2025. So my name is Aaron, and I am with SquirrelHillFlats.com, and then we also have a laundry basin over here. But I am with SquirrelHillFlats.com, and please let us know if you have any questions. We'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. Here's the inside of machines. They're, again, brand new machines, very clean. And very state-of-the-art. All right. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we look forward to hearing from you.